everyone, so in today's video I am going to be talking about the top 5 financial modeling courses in Nepal. So the first institute in my list is IIM Skills. Now this is a very good and very reputed institute to learn financial modeling from. Now the average duration of their course is about 4 months and the fees of the same is about $400 to $500, and they have very good faculty, and they also provide you lifetime access to their resources, which means that once you enroll in the course, if anything changes during your lifetime, if any material changes in the course, you will still have access to it. The second institute in my list is IMS Pro. Now this is also a very good and very reputed institute to learn financial modeling from, and the fees of the same is about $350 to $600, and the average duration of their course is about 3 to 4 months. Their faculty is also top notch and the quality is also great. Now the next institute in my list is Wall Street Mojo. Their financial modeling course is about 3 months long with the average fees of about $600. And I know it's a little bit on the expensive side, but their quality matches their fees, and I think you should definitely go for this course. Now the next institute in my list is CFI. Now this is a self-study financial modeling course. There is no live and interactive class in this, and they have a paid course of about $500, which you can finish in about 6 months. And the only downside of this course is, since it's self-study, it won't provide you with doubt solving sessions and you won't be able to solve your doubts in real time. Now the last but not the least institute in my list is Edu Pristine. Now this is a very prestigious and very renowned institute to learn financial modeling from, and the duration of their course is about 3 to 4 months, along with the fees of about $400 to $600, depending on which kind of mode you choose and which level of classes you choose. And it's a very good institute, and I would advise everybody to take the demo sessions of 1 to 2 hours of every institute and then learn for yourself, then decide for yourself which institute you want to enroll yourself in, depending on what trainer suits you, the teaching level, what kind of teaching method is good for you, and you should choose accordingly. And that's it for today's video. I will see you in the next video with more such informative content. Till then, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.